All right, here's some of my top packing hacks, all right, when I'm going out traveling. Let's starting off with delicate jewellery. Something I always do is thread it through a straw. That way it's not going to get tangled up or damaged. Also stuff underwear into shoes. That way you're going to get some extra space in your case. And when it comes to trousers, group them all together and start with them on the very bottom of your case, folded over. Then you're going to finish off with them by folding them over. That means you're going to get no creases, and it works for maxi dresses as well. It is all about versatility though when it comes on holiday. So things like this are going to work brilliantly. £20, you've got that as a dress, then put it down, you can wear it as a skirt as well. And if you are going to go out for a nice posh dinner, look out for this kind of fabric. This kind of fabric means it's not going to crease at all. Hey presto, you're ready to rock and roll for your night out. Right, apparently I need to go to the airport and this is correct. Everyone's going to laugh at me, I don't know why they're making me do this.